Ever wonder what 2026 will look like? Get ready for a world transformed by AI. Imagine an AI assistant that doesn't just hear you, but understands your voice, text, and even gestures, making life seamless. But it gets bigger. We're talking about autonomous AI agents and intelligent robots becoming our digital colleagues, working alongside us, boosting our productivity like never before. In hospitals and labs, AI will be a game-changing collaborator, helping us crack complex diseases and solve humanity's biggest challenges. This isn't about machines taking over. It's about amplifying our own creativity and intelligence. The future is a partnership where humans and AI design a better world together. Thanks for watching.
For 25 years, Google was the king of the internet. We didn't just search for things, we Googled them. But in 2026, that empire is finally crumbling. A new era of AI search is here, and it's making traditional search engines look like a library from the 90s. Today, we're re-looking at why Google is officially in trouble and the AI tools that are changing everything. Let's be honest, Google has become a digital graveyard of ads and SEO-optimized links. We don't want a list of websites anymore. We want direct answers. This is where the Google killers come in. First, there's ChatGPT by OpenAI. It doesn't just give you links, it talks to you and understands context. Then we have Perplexity AI, the ultimate researcher's dream that cites every source for 100% accuracy. But it doesn't stop there. Tools like GenSpark are building custom pages for every search, while Find is revolutionizing the way developers find technical answers. Finally, ArcSearch is changing mobile browsing by reading and summarizing websites for you in seconds. Is Google dead? Not yet. But for the first time in history, they are terrified. The search war is on, and the winner is us, the users. Which AI tool are you switching to? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe to AI Kido to stay ahead of the technology revolution. The future is here. Thanks for watching.
The world of work has changed forever. In 2026, you don't need a 9-to-5 job to earn a living. You just need the right AI tools. Today, I'm showing you 5 AI-powered side hustles that can realistically make you $100 a day or more, even if you have zero experience. First, AI video editing for creators. Platforms like CapCut and Premiere Pro now have AI features that do 80% of the work for you. Businesses and YouTubers are desperate for short-form content. You can use AI to cut silences, add captions, and generate B-roll, charging $50 per video. Second, AI voiceover services. With tools like 11 Labs, you can create human-like voiceovers for audiobooks, commercials, and YouTube channels. You can sell these services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork to clients worldwide. Third, AI-powered SEO writing. Companies are moving away from traditional blogs to AI-optimized answers. Using tools like ChatGPT and Perplexity, you can write high-quality, data-driven articles for brands that need to rank in the new AI search era. Fourth, AI image and logo design. Midjourney and DALL-E have replaced basic graphic design. You can create unique branding packages for startups in minutes. And fifth, building custom AI GPTs for small businesses. Help a local shop automate their customer service and charge a monthly maintenance fee. The future of wealth isn't about working harder. It's about working smarter with AI. Which of these will you start today? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe to AI Kido for more ways to master the future. Let's build that wealth together.
For over a decade, we've heard the same phrase, "There's an app for that." But in 2026, that phrase is becoming history. We are entering the era of AI agents, and it's about to change your phone and your life forever. Think about it. Right now, if you want to book a trip, you have to open 5 different apps. One for flights, one for hotels, and another for dinner reservations. It's slow and frustrating. But AI agents are different. They don't just give you information, they take action. In 2026, you won't search through apps. You'll simply tell your AI agent, "Plan my weekend in Batumi." Your agent will enter the apps for you, find the best deals, book the hotel, and even handle the payments, all in seconds. The interface is disappearing. Your phone is transforming from a collection of icons into one powerful, invisible brain. This isn't just a small update. It's the end of the smartphone as we know it. The biggest tech giants are already pivoting. The question is, are you ready for a world without apps? Subscribe to AI Kido to stay ahead of the technology revolution. The future is invisible. Thanks for watching.